In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zoho CRM, your ultimate 2025 guide. As we dive into this tutorial, we'll walk through each step clearly and effectively to ensure you're fully equipped to manage your contacts using tags. So let's get started. First, we begin our journey on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to your desired module. Whether you're managing leads, deals, or any other aspect of your business, accessing the correct module is key to organizing your contacts efficiently. In this case, we'll focus on the Contacts module, so head over to the top of your page and click on the Contacts tab. A quick note here, having all your contacts in one place allows for seamless navigation and tagging. Once you're in the Contacts tab, the next step is to select the contact you'd like to tag. It's important to choose a contact that you frequently engage with or categorize for easy reference. You'll find the list of contacts conveniently displayed, making it simple to pick the one you need. After selecting your desired contact, look for the option to add tags. You should find an Add Tags button prominently displayed. Clicking this will open up a new field where you can either type in a tag name or choose from an existing list of tags. Creating meaningful and descriptive tags will help greatly in organizing your contacts and setting reminders for follow-ups. Moreover, Zoho CRM offers the flexibility to add a dash of color to your tags. This is particularly useful for visual organizers or when managing multiple categories. Choosing distinct colors can aid in quick identification and streamline your workflow. Once you've typed in your tag or selected one from the list and possibly added a color for better visualization, it's time to select it. Highlight your tag and make sure it's the right word that encapsulates the category or descriptor you want. Finally, don't forget to save your work. All these steps lead up to you clicking the Save button, which will ensure your tagging efforts are preserved in the system. This step is crucial so you don't lose all that meticulous organization you just did. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to creating and managing tags in Zoho CRM. This method not only boosts your organizational capabilities, but can also enhance team collaboration by clearly categorizing contacts. So go ahead, try it out, make the most of your Zoho CRM experience, and keep your contact list beautifully organized. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Catch you in the next video!